also get a copper pitcher and put water in the copper pitcher and let it always sit in the copper pitcher and drink it with the copper cup. And if you want copper, they say, I think it's liver from the animals. So if you can tolerate the wonderful flavour of liver, then eat liver from the animals. That's where the copper is stored for the body. And the copper has to do with an energy and that reaches your spine into your brain. So copper deficiency is dangerous, copper being efficient within the body is important for spiritual energy, but overdosing copper with supplements is toxic. So get through these natural mechanisms. Copper is antimicrobial and killing of bacteria. So these all have an immense reality, metals have a reality, and inshaAllah we meditate and try to understand its understanding.